फ्राइडे एंड ये था तो मुझे लगा मुझे तुम लोगों से बात करके कनेक्ट भी करना है. I started vlogging today is because and also मेरा कैमरा के साथ वो रहा नहीं रिलेशन. So good morning you guys. I'm gonna vlog this day. Just thought of vlogging. So I was on my way to get ready for office. Today it's Friday. And ये thought मुझे इसलिए आया that I will start vlogging this day is because I wanted to just share certain things. I should say Alexa to shut. So basically if Alexa goes on and on, I cannot post this as a vlog. Obviously copyright issue आ जाएगा. I just thought of vlogging this because earlier I was thinking I'll make shots of getting ready, get ready with me and all. बट उससे ज़्यादा तो मुझे लगा मुझे तुम लोगों से बात करके कनेक्ट भी करना है बिकॉज इट्स बीन अ वाइल आई एम नॉट व्लॉगिंग मच. सो जस्ट एन अपडेट. सो obviously I was there and then I was not there and now I'm again there. So it has become like from past 1 year or after marriage it has been a thing that I'm on and off. Like not after marriage, I started vlogging after marriage, so I should not even say that after marriage. So yeah, in short, on and off because I'm not able to get my rhythm here. But this is something that I really want to do. That's the reason I keep coming back. आज फ्राइडे है और मुझे मूड आया कि मैं ये तुम लोग से शेयर करूँ चीज़ें ताकि आई नो मैं ऑन एंड ऑफ और मेरा ये थोड़ा सा मेस्ड अप है. आई नीड टू क्लीन दैट अप. But yeah, bear with me. Okay, so I am here to talk to you guys about how my life is and why I wasn't there. And also अभी जो ख्याल आया कि मैं ब्लॉग करूँ is because every time I feel कि अरे आज नहीं ब्लॉग करेंगे but आज मुझे लगा कि कर लेते हैं because maybe you guys don't know me much, obviously, that's for sure. And those who are following me maybe know me here and there जो मेरे personal लोग हैं. So yeah, so here I am, Suma Susan Thomas, who is a full-time employee and a part-time content creator. So when I say content creator, I know that I was in creating content types, like I was in planning the script and keep on going on and making stuffs like with strategies and all. I was doing is I was just, whatever I was doing in my daily life, I was just kind of using that in my shorts and vlogs and stuff. But now I know that creators are supposed to create stuff, so that's the reason they are creators. So I have started structuring certain things. मुझे इतना पसीना क्यों आ रहा है? एक तो मुझे फ़ैन लो करना पड़ रहा है बिकॉज हम बात कर रहे हैं. बट मैंने अभी फ़िलहाल बढ़ा दिया है because I'm a sweaty person. I am in Bangalore and still I'm a sweaty person. And yeah, so my background is I am from Mumbai and I work a full-time job. I'm a content creator, just started to strategic certain things like structuring my content. So I feel like I can say this because I have started that. Obviously not in a big scale, obviously small scale. And what else? I'm here. So why I started vlogging today is because I was just thinking like I don't know if my office colleagues or anyone just follows me or sees my vlog. They might think कि सुमा कितना office में she's very strict or she has a thing when she speaks and stuff. And now when she's on camera it doesn't. Obviously I came on camera after a point, so I'm not that comfortable yet. So I have I'm missing out on words because lately I think मैं बहुत चीज़ें भूल जाती हूँ तो मुझे वर्ड्स भी याद नहीं आ रहे. एंड ऑल्सो मेरा कैमरा के साथ वो रहा नहीं रिलेशन. सो मुझे बात करने से पहले बहुत दिमाग में वायरिंग है बिकॉज ऑब्वियसली टू मैनी टैब्स आर ओपन इन माई माइंड. सो आई थॉट अगर कोई कलीग मुझे देख रहा होगा एंड दे माइट बी लाइक अरे यार सुमा जब प्रोफेशनली हमसे बात करती है शी इज़ सो स्ट्रिक्ट एंड एटीट्यूड एंड ब्ला ब्ला शिट एंड शी टॉक्स शी इज़ लाइक दिस एंड दैट. एंड आई एम लाइक they'll be like वो पर्सनल लाइफ में तो कितनी डरती है. यू नो दिस इज़ माई थॉट. मेरे को ऐसा लगा कि बिकॉज मेरे शॉर्ट्स में भी मैं बहुत ऐसे दिखूंगी कि यू नो आई एम जस्ट स्टार्टिंग ऑफ और दिस इज समथिंग न्यू दैट आई एम ट्राइंग टू बी एंड स्टफ. So I know that content creation should be a thing kind of you can build a character for yourself when you are on camera, not necessarily that's something from my personal life. So yeah, here I am, I'm gonna create some contents, and obviously I am gonna share a lot of my own experiences in the way of content so that I can relate to you guys. सोचा यही अपडेट करने आती हूँ. एंड ऑल्सो आज फ्राइडे है. आई डोंट नो, आई मीन आज फ्राइडे है एंड मुझे बस रेडी होके फटाफट निकलना था. यही होता है, मैं ब्लॉग करूँगी तो मैं लेट हो जाऊँगी, इसलिए मैं अब बस इतना ही शेयर कर रही हूँ. दिस इज़ व्हाट माई अपडेट इज़, एंड माई लाइफ अपडेट इज़ नथिंग बट आई एम yeah, again I cannot say that I'm a full-time employee. Obviously that I am, but if you don't know my background, I am from Mumbai and I just got in Bangalore 3 years before, but this is my first year. I should say that I am still in Bangalore so long because first year marriage, and then we had a lot of visits and here and there and travels. Second year, my husband wasn't here. He had to go to his office business thing, like I think 3 to 6 months. Yeah, 6 months he was out and I was still again in Mumbai. So yeah, on and off. So this would be my year that I can say that I still was in Bangalore because it's May. Obviously I had like travels and all, but this is the year that I can count that I was here. So yeah, see you guys later. Okay, I wanted to check this out. मैंने अब तक इस पे भी वीडियो या कुछ बनाया नहीं. This is Diam Beauty. I think I just did a video on unpacking this, but yet to try. So I thought I'll try today because I'm gonna go to office. So I have an occasion. So let's do that. So the packaging is really cute and this is what it is. And I have a shade brown which is Ghosted. यार मैं ना कितना भी पानी पीऊँ कभी कभी मेरा गला ना फिर भी बहुत सूखा रहता है. If that's the case with you guys, also suggest what I can do. It comes with this dabbing thing. This looks like a very soft rubbery, and it is actually. So let's see. It should give me a blurry effect. So I'm gonna dab this. यार इतना अच्छी चीज़ को ख़राब करने बुरा तो लगता है, but once I do it, I don't mind. So I don't know if it's enough product. Is it blurring anything? I think आधा प्रोडक्ट आजकल एक तो ब्लर लेके आ जाते हैं. क्रेयॉन ख़त्म हो गया तो they are coming back with this thing. Crayon gloss and now this is the new. कि इसको लगाने के लिए भी this is the new attraction. And normally अभी blur lipstick आ गया है. I don't think so. It's doing something. It's soft but it's not blurring anything. I'm a matte girl. I love gloss also now. The shade looks nice, pretty good, but I'm not sure. You guys tell me if this works or is this even blurring. Obviously I think it will be transferred. It's not a transfer proof thing. I think ये इतना ही है, यही है shade. And I'm not sure if I'll go with this, obviously, but this is really nice shade. I like the shade, but it's not giving the blurry effect. यार this is like kind of a thing now. दिखाना पड़ेगा डॉक्टर को. Okay, look at the shade. It looks nice, pretty. But I'm gonna just top this up with Simply Nam Dolly Dusty Pink. So this says Dusty Pink, but on brown skin it's kind of a nude. So I'm gonna just add this little so that it mattifies and gets sealed in a place and it doesn't get transferred. And I don't mind thoda sa light hua to bhi. So this is gonna be my lipstick. So yeah, let's get ready and I'll come back. Quickly, I'm gonna show you guys this thing. I am almost ready. थोड़ा ब्लश, वैसे भी क्रीम ब्लश लगाने के बाद आई हैव टू अप्लाई अ पाउडर ब्लश बिकॉज इट्स नॉट समथिंग विजिबल. आई एम गोना कीप सिंपल बिकॉज आई एम गोइंग टू ऑफिस एंड इट्स फ्राइडे and we have a team lunch planned and all. But yeah, this is me when I go to office. I want to be very comfortable. So this is the pouch that I normally carry. This is from Accessorize. This is a really cute pouch. Me and my bestie, we both have a thing for pouches, so we normally buy it together. And yeah, anyways, this was out of the context, but I don't know why did I say this, because obviously certain things you buy with certain people, it reminds me of them. So here it is. So I carry my compact. I carry a small mist. So this is my favorite mist from Plum Body. From Plum Body, and it's vanilla vibes. I have a big one of this. If this gets over, I refill this. And my latest favorite is Rare Beauty as well, but it's expensive. I don't carry it in my this thing. Okay, so there's an eyebrow pencil, there's a lipstick that I applied on top of this lipstick, and then I had kept one blurry matte lipstick because I'm not carrying that dabba. So yeah, this is it. I don't know if I have to add something, but this is it. That's it. I'm gonna carry this much. And there's a brush from which I apply the compact. Also, I think you guys, I don't know if you guys use it like this. So we have Mars 4-in-1 brush. So what I do is I have, you know, the dislocated the 4 brushes, and I carry this for my compact, and I use the others for other stuff. So I'm not carrying it like one, but yeah, if you want to carry that as one, it's really good for your eyes and everything. It covers up. Okay, bye. बातें करते रह जाऊंगी, ऑटो लेके बताती हूँ. I quickly wanted to also show that I love this hair serum. जब से मैंने ये यूज़ किया, I think this is my 3rd or 4th bottle. So again, ये ख़त्म होने आया. I'm gonna repurchase this. I've used a lot of hair serum, but yeah, I loved this one. I think Streaks is also good, but yeah, Streaks I've used like, you know, उसका छोटा version आता है, इसलिए वो मैंने mostly, obviously हम लोग ऐसे weddings में जाते तो my friends also carry a small one. But this one I really love, and it really doesn't make my hair oily, but it settle down as much I want, because मेरे बालों को अगर serum नहीं लगाया तो it goes here, and that's not scary. It looks really nice. I love that, but I cannot go out like that. And nowadays जब से बाल छोटे किए, मुझे लगता है कि जितना wet look अच्छा लगता है उतना वो dry look नहीं अच्छा लगता. I so want to keep a wet look, but I cannot. Spray लेके घूमना पड़ेगा. If you guys know any technique that I can keep my hair like a wet look, please tell me. Also, I just wore a simple neck piece, and this one I'm gonna change, or I'll keep it as it is. थोड़ा आलसी हूँ, अब मैं जाती हूँ. Bye. Finally, I am ready and set to go. Rapido book कर लिया. This is me in sunlight. देखा मेरा बाल सूख गया और फूकने लगा. So ये इससे डबल होता है when I don't apply the serum. So and my hairstylist, she loves it. So yeah, she loves the way that my hair bounces. She's like, I never thought that you have such a beautiful bouncy hair. And I was like, because मैंने शादी के बाद straight नहीं किया था, केराटिन एंड ऑल कर दिया था, एंड उसकी वजह से वो केराटिन ट्रीटमेंट जा नहीं रहा था, एंड दैट्स द रीज़न आई वाज लाइक अब बस हो गया, बहुत टाइम से जा ही नहीं रहा है, और मैं थक गई थी, एंड आई वांटेड माय हेयर टेक्सचर बैक, एंड आई फॉरगॉट हाउ टू कैरी माय ओन हेयर. सो बिकॉज जब तुम स्ट्रेट वेट करा लेते तो इट्स काइंड ऑफ वेरी मैनेजेबल. सो आई really wanted to get back to my own wavy, curly, whatever you want to call this hair. I wanted to get back to this. और मैंने छोटा तो कर दिया जितना मेरे को सिस्टिन निकालना था, बट ये एरिया ना ऐसा ऊपर चढ़ने लगा था, तो what I did is I asked her to do सिस्टिन on this area. At least, you know, मैं उतना मैनेज कर लूँ, बाकी का तो हो ही जाएगा. So I'm gonna tie this up. और बैंगलोर में आने के बाद मैंने रैपिडो स्टार्ट कर लिया यूज़ करना गाइज, बिकॉज यहाँ पे तो भाई कुछ भी मिल जाए वही बहुत है. फर्स्ट, सेकेंड, आई एम अ ऑटो गर्ल. आई डोंट नो वाई, मुझे इसमें बैठना पसंद नहीं है कैब में, बट या ऑटो इज़ समथिंग दैट आई लव. अब मैं ऊपर बांधूंगी और जाके निकालूंगी तो मे बी बहुत बड़ा हो जाएगा बाल, ठीक है, बट आई हैव टू. मैं खुद को फुल टाई अप करके जाऊंगी. आई माइट शो यू गाइज अ बिट ऑफ बैंगलोर. So as you guys know, my phone got full. I couldn't vlog much after that. This is me going to office. The weather was really good that day and I couldn't vlog much in office because my phone was full. I ordered a pen drive. So hopefully this is not gonna happen again. This is me sitting for lunch in the Iron Hill restaurant that's in Bangalore. And yeah, I had a good lunchtime. Got this new airport case which was there outside Iron Hill. They were having this, tents and stuff where people were like, selling. So I got it from there. And yeah. Tired.
Get their exclusive Bang Bang shorts for free.
So I know yesterday I started a vlog. Yes, कब मैं थोड़ी अच्छे से रहूँगी जहाँ पे यूल बी लाइक समा के बाल ऐसे नहीं खड़े वैसे नहीं खड़े. शी इज़ लाइक नॉर्मल. ओके, घर पे सब ऐसे ही रहते हैं. ऑल्सो आई डोंट नो इफ़ माई वॉइस इज़ लाइक गुड और नॉट, बट अंदर ही बात करती हूँ. अंदर फ़ैन का हवा है, आवाज़ है, बाहर लोग का आवाज़ है. 2-4 मिनट इसमें जा रहा है. सो बेसिकली कल मैंने ब्लॉग स्टार्ट किया था. वो ब्लॉग आधा ही रह गया, नॉट आधा, थोड़ा बहुत ट्राई किया मैंने टू गिव यू गाइस अपडेट. और स्टार्ट में बोलते बोलते मेरा फ़ोन फुल हो गया था एंड आई वाज ट्राइंग टू गेट माय फोन्स मेमोरी बैक. फॉर सम रीज़न कुछ तो नहीं जम रहा था. देन येस्टरडे मैंने बोला ऐसे नहीं चल सकता, ऐसे तो मेरे हमेशा व्लॉग रुक जाते हैं एंड आई कैन नॉट हैव दिस काइंड ऑफ थिंग इफ़ आई हैव टू व्लॉग सो क्विकली. और फिर जाते जाते जब मेरे साथ वो सिचुएशन हुआ तो मैंने अमेज़ोन से ये मंगाया. दिस इज़ रियली, I feel this is really good. You can directly connect with your phone and just have your pen drive with you. If your phone's GB is full. I don't know how much my voice you guys can hear, but yeah, so this saved me today. And then I realized कि मैं जितना भी डिलीट भी कर रही थी वो डिलीट फोल्डर से भी मुझे बहुत कुछ डिलीट करना था. ऐसा वैसा बहुत कुछ किया. So I'm back. So just wanted to update that. कल का ब्लॉग पूरा तो नहीं है बट या ऑब्वियसली उतना है जितना मैंने पूरा दिन किया है. एंड या so that's it. I'm signing off. I hope that you guys like my normal day. It was not a daily vlog. It was kind of a vlog. I went to office and I came back and how was my day. That's it. So hope you will enjoy it. Please like, share and subscribe because I am little serious this time. Bye.